Today we're going to go to one of Jill's favorite places. I'm Sean.
I'm Jill.
This is 151 Garage. So Jill's favorite place is
The junkyard.
So today we're going to a pull apart place. It's basically a salvage yard that you go and you pay a entry fee, you go pull all the parts off, you come back and they give you a discounted price basically. You pull them off, it's a discounted price rather than you go to a junkyard and then they pull it off and they charge you twice as much. Now, the benefit of this is a discounted price. It really is a lot cheaper than any place else. The bad thing is, it's like a Walmart if you're a car enthusiast and need parts, because there's a lot of vehicles out there that have a number of parts that you didn't know you needed until you got there going, oh crap, I need that too. It's like going into Walmart for chicken and end up with a shopping cart full of home goods, music, TV, everything like that, because everything's on sale. So just leave it at that. We did walk through there already, picked up a couple things last weekend, a couple fenders, rear wing, a crash bar, pad, and a number of small bits and pieces we need for the vehicle already. Now, it didn't cost that much. It cost us about 150 bucks total.
Like all of it.
For all of it. And that's a lot less than if you buy brand new.
Because this fender right here, even aftermarket, would be about 150 bucks.
Yeah.
Depending on where you get it. Some of them can come in a set for maybe about that price, but still. It's just a lot better to go to a junkyard.
Yeah. The reason we're going back is because we know we needed a rear bumper and it was getting late in the day and we didn't have room to put the rear bumper in the vehicle already had because it had so much other stuff in it. So we are going back to get the rear bumper along with a number of other things, I'm sure. I don't know yet, but I'm sure we're gonna go back and get them. So before we go, let's show you what we did to the car. We did kind of make some modifications. We'll take you out the tripod and we'll show you real quick. Okay, first thing we did is we ended up putting a bar right here so these can mount to. Now, we're not sure if we're gonna keep this and then put on the aftermarket radiator fan or cooling fan. But what we might do is see what they have there and make our decision whether we're gonna go stock, because that way we don't have to make a brace. This is really flimsy and it also bends the bar, so I didn't know that. I mean, I knew it, but I don't want this to be vibrated and end up cracking the top of this. As well as, we installed that. So we put this back on, put this on, and what else did we do? Is that it? That's all we did.
Yeah.
So we don't really do much to this off camera. Oh.
We took out the vents.
This is the aftermarket, or this is the other spoiler we got. It's a low mounted spoiler. It's not the one that sits up high like a 1980s style spoiler. It is almost a flush mount, as you can tell. So let's put you back on the tripod. We're gonna go ahead and head out to the junkyard now. We are gonna get some cinematic style stuff. I'm trying to learn a little bit more. I've been watching a lot of YouTube videos. I'm trying to make the videos a little bit better and a little more interesting, maybe to get more subscribers, more people like it. Plus it's good for me to learn that type of stuff because we do have a couple events that we want to do that with. Now, with this, we aren't going to have any sound. We do respect other people's privacies, especially in places like that. We are going to videotape. We're probably not going to have a lot of people in it. So again, we are going to show you the vehicles that are there, the 4 Mustangs that are there, all of which have front end damage. I don't know what it is with Mustangs. Do you guys ever get rear-ended? Because I can't find a front bumper that isn't destroyed to save my life. It seems like they're always the one hitting people. Never mind. We know why. Anyways, we'll go ahead and head out. See you there. Bye.